appreciated. The Public Works and Highways Secretary, Secretary Vince Dizon, Metropolitan Waterworks and Sewerage System Chairman, Elpidio Vega, and Administrator Leonor Cleofas, Maynilad Water Services Incorporated President and CEO Ramoncito Fernandez, Manila Water Company Incorporated President and CEO Jose Victor Emmanuel de Dios, Gov. Dan Fernando, and other local officials of the province of Bulacan, fellow workers in government, our esteemed partners from the private sector, other distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, good morning. Water is a resource that we use every single day and every single hour. Yet, we seldom pause to appreciate it. We certainly take it for granted. It is essential because we use it to stay healthy, to cook our meals, clean our homes, to care for our loved ones. But because it is always within our reach, flowing from our faucets, filling our glasses, we often overlook just how vital it is. But the moment it runs low, we are reminded of an undeniable truth. Water is a lifeline for our communities, and every Filipino deserves dependable access to it. Today, we gather to celebrate an achievement that brings us closer to that goal that we have had for many years, the inauguration of Tunnel Number 5 of the Angat Water Transmission Improvement Project. This new tunnel strengthens the decades-old Umiray-Angat-Ipo-La Mesa system, the backbone that delivers water from Angat Dam to Metro Manila and to Mega Manila. Right now, almost 90% of the water used by almost 20 million people in Metro Manila, in Bulacan, parts of Cavite, and Rizal pass through this system. These numbers show how important it is to keep the Angat system strong, reliable, and future-ready. And this is why the establishment of Tunnel Number 5 is not only important, it is essential. Its raw water conveyance to carry 1.6 billion liters of water every day will increase our system's transport capacity from 6 billion to almost 8 billion liters of water every day. Ibig sabihin, mas maraming pamilya magkakaroon ng tuloy-tuloy at maaasahang supply ng tubig sa kanilang mga tahanan. May maisasaayos ang mga datib ng tunnel dahil may backup ng pwedeng pagdaanan ng tubig. Yung mga tunnel po na sinara dahil kailangan na mag-maintenance, maaari na ngayon natin balikan ulit, baka may pag-asa pa, baka may rehab pa, para magamit pa rin natin. Mas magiging handa ang ating mga komunidad sa panahon ng tagtuyot at iba pang epekto ng ating hinaharap na climate change. Mas nagiging matatag ang ating water system para bawat Pilipinong umaasa rito araw-araw. Of course, none of this would have been possible without the steadfast support of Maynila Water, our engineers, our workers, and everyone who dedicated their skill and effort to this project. This project reminds us that we can accomplish when the government and the private sector and the LGUs are anchored on a shared vision. Ladies and gentlemen, let this milestone encourage us to value the resources that we are blessed with. Use them responsibly and take part in building a more inclusive, sustainable future for everyone. Let us continue working together, government, private sector, and citizens alike, to shape a nation where progress is shared, where communities are empowered, and where our